Hi guys, so in this video I'll be showing you how to change theme colors in Wix Studio. So first you'll start by logging into your Wix Studio account. Now in this dashboard you can now select the site you want to work on, or you can create a new site by clicking on this create new site option on the top right corner. Now you can start from a blank canvas and start your site from scratch, but we also have an option to choose template, so we'll just go with it. Now there are a variety of templates to choose from. We'll just select any one of them and click on edit. Now we'll just wait for our template to load. Now this is our template, and on the left hand side we have a lot of icons, out of which you'll select the site styles icon and click on it. Now we here have a lot of colors and the fonts and the text styles that are used in this template. We'll go to this colors section, and these are all the colors used in this site. Now we can always select this color and copy its code by pressing Ctrl C. Now you'll just backspace it and select the color you want, like we can keep these blue or green or maybe pink, and we'll click on apply, and we'll head over to a website to see how it looks. So this is basically how our website looks with pink. Now if I don't like it or it is not up to my liking, we can again go back and edit it, and I'll just paste the code back and it's back to normal. Now similarly, if I want this color, like I can see the whole background is white, I'll just edit it. I'll copy this code and then I'll change it. Now I can pick a color from the template by clicking on this icon on the left side of the code, and let's just say I want it orange. I'll just right click over here and click on apply. So as you can see, the website now has a background full of this orangish brownish color. Now if it's not up to my liking, we can again change it back to normal. Just clear this and paste the code you copied, and it's back to normal. So that's quite it. That's how you edit your theme colors in this site. With just a few clicks you can give your entire website a fresh cohesive look that truly reflects your brand. So thanks for watching.